Welcome back Tech Enthusiast. Today we have got some exciting leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With major upgrades to its camera system, this flagship smartphone promises to set new standards in mobile photography. Let's dive into the details. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been making headlines with its rumored specs, especially in the camera department. According to the latest leaks from renowned tech bloggers, the S25 Ultra will retain its quad camera setup but with some impressive enhancement. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 200 megapixel primary sensor, continuing the legacy of its predecessor, but the real game changers are the upgrades to the other lenses. We are talking about the 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 50 megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a new 50 megapixel 5x telephoto lens. This is a significant leap from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which had a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. These upgrades aren't just about higher megapixel count. The increased resolution on the ultra wide and the telephoto lens will greatly enhance low light performance and overall image quality, especially between 3x and 5x optical zoom. Plus, with the higher resolution sensor, macro photography could see substantial improvement, capturing more detailed close-up shots. Another exciting aspect of the S25 Ultra is the potential design overhaul. Samsung has recently brought on board Hubert H. Lee, the former chief design officer of Mercedes-Benz China, as their head of their mobile experience design team. This move has sparked anticipation about how the Galaxy S25 series will look, blending cutting-edge technology with sophisticated design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse in mobile photography with its upgraded 200 megapixel primary camera, enhanced 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and telephoto lenses, and potential design innovations. This device is set to elevate your smartphone experience. Samsung is once again pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone camera can do, and we can't wait to see the final product. What do you think about these leaked specs? Are you excited about these potential camera upgrades on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.